Hi everyone, welcome to Patel classes. This is Priya from Guyana. I'm very happy to be a part of this wonderful channel. First of all, I would like to apologize for this long overdue video. I know it's been a long time. A lot of people have been expecting me, and I want to sincerely apologize for that. Also, I want to thank the director for letting me be a part of this wonderful channel and the wonderful community that he's associating with. I'm very grateful for that. Thank you so much. My reason here is simple, and as you might have known, our motto, learning for success, and success doesn't come from doing too much at once, but doing little every single day. And my purpose here is to share wisdom, share knowledge, share whatever might inspire someone's life or educate someone. So that's my purpose here, just to inform you guys that I'm not just here to entertain, or I'm not here to entertain or catch views or get attention or anything like that, but I'm here to share my knowledge, share a little wisdom, talent maybe, and to inspire the younger minds to recognize their potential, recognize their ability to conquer the world, I would say. So without further ado, the topic today is my long hesitant arrival on the channel, and to be honest, that was very truly fear. I have to be honest, it was fear. There's nothing I can't deny. I was fearful that I would not be accepted, I would not be appreciated, I would not be good enough, people would not like me, things like that. And it took me some time to gather some courage, and with the help of some few friends, I somehow got there. So that what took me so long. And I want to say that if you have a fear of something, if you have a fear that to come out of your shell, then you need not to. You just have to get out there and do your best. It would always put it in your mind that your first experience is an experiment. The reaction you will get, yes, we will get good reactions, we will get bad reactions, but we should always learn from the bad one, not the good one. We should take the good one to compliment, but the bad ones are the one that should motivate us, should drive us to improve in those areas that we need to. And I have had a few failures, yes, but I don't know, I can't say relatively if the bad one has really impacted me as much as the good one, but some way or the other, the bad one did some benefits, and I have to say hats off to that. But the encouragement I got, the push over the mountain, I would call it. My friends kept pushing me over the mountain because they wanted me to fly, and that's built my courage and give me the strength to come on. And I want to say that if you have a fear, please, it's about time you come out of the fear. It's nothing to lose. It's okay. People are going to say bad things. People are going to say, okay, you're not good, why are you here? And you need to put a blind eye on that, because not all of us are 100%. Not all of us are picture perfect or video perfect. And another thing that I want to emphasize on is that we're all equal as human beings. It doesn't matter if you're fair, you're dark, you're Indian, you're Afro, you're American, no matter what caste you come from, no matter what race you are from, which country you are from, we're all human beings, and we all have capabilities of doing things. And you should never underestimate yourself because of others discrimination or others saying that okay, you're not good and that kind of sort of things. You should never underestimate your abilities, and we all have the capacity to accomplish things. It's just that you have to step out of your box, step out of your shell, and face it. Yes, I know it's going to be hard, very hard, but we need, if we're going to be successful, then we need to step out of the shell, face the wind, face the storm, and not only face it but walk through it like a brave person, like a tree would stand in the storm and would not break. And if you can do that, then you're fearless. You're not fearful but fearless. And you might have heard that the tigers are fearless, the lions are fearless. Then if you want to become a lion or a tiger, then you have to come out of your shell. You have to hunt. And when I say hunt, you need to hunt your dreams down. You have to identify your potential and find your purpose and hunt them down. Hunt them down like a tiger, because only then you can stand tall. I know that sometimes it's very tough. What can we do? It's like that, and we just need to focus. Yes, we need some support also sometimes, but we need to focus and always have a backup plan. Where there's a plan A, you should always have a plan B, no doubt about that. Have a plan B. And it doesn't have, you don't have to be what should I say, no, you don't have to have the support of others. You don't have to say, oh, I'm all alone, how am I going to manage this is going to be hard, things like that. You don't need that. Once you are strong enough to face those challenges, then you will get through it, definitely. So that's it for today. I want to wrap it up. I know it's not much, but I'll be back and a part of the class, the Patel, a part of Patel classes, to share more views, more stories, more insights, more ways we can face our adversities, our problems. And I hope that you would enjoy the video, and if you do so, then please like our subscribe to our channel. And not only that, you should also spread the knowledge, because we can learn so much, we can read so much, but if we don't implement these things, if we don't add them to our daily lives, then what is the use of learning? It doesn't serve a purpose. It's just like wasting time. In my eyes, in my opinion, it's like wasting time. So you should learn, implement, and practice these things that you've learned. Practice and implement. Oh, sorry about that. So I want to say goodbye. Wherever in the world you are, I want to say from my country, it's morning in the wee hours of the morning, and I want to say good morning from my beautiful country. Wherever you are, I hope you're having a great time, a great day, and take care until next time.